Door problems around the house can really be aggravating, but most of the time the solutions are very, very simple.
You're right, Danny. In this case particularly, where you have a stripped screw hole, this hinge, I just can't tighten this one screw because the hole's too big. So what I'm going to do is repair it by filling up the hole.
Well, now what about using a longer screw?
You could use a longer screw, but in this case I'm trying to match the brass finish on the hinge, so I want to use the same screw. And I'm going to do that by taking a wooden golf tee, just a simple tee, put a little glue on it, we're going to tap it into the hole. And what that does is it fills up the hole.
So you're basically almost like starting over with a smooth surface there.
Yeah, so you just put that in there. You can give it a little tap just to fill up the hole. Don't hit it too hard because you don't want to split that jam. And then scribe it with a utility knife.
Okay, so in order to break it off flush.
Yeah, you should score it because, again, you don't want to take the chance of either splitting that jam or having a tee break off with a ragged edge. Look at that. Perfect. So basic, completely filled the hole.
Oh, that's great. And then you can use the original screws on it.
Yeah,
then.
let's try it. Got it right there. I've seen people who do this with toothpicks, but the problem, toothpicks don't fill the hole entirely.
Well,
This trick, yeah.
This should take care of this.
See how tight that is? It works perfect, like brand new. Look at that, rock solid.